Let's see how we can download and install Python 3.12.3 in Windows 11. First, go to this URL, click the link in the description and it will take you here. Now, hover over this downloads and you will see this Python 3.12.3. Click on this and the download has started. Let's wait till the download is complete. Once the download is complete, click on Open File and now you will get this option. Click on this add python.ext to path so that you can run it from terminal and just click on install now. Then installation will start.
While this is processing, check out our brand new awesome coding merch. We've got t-shirts, hoodies, we've got stickers for laptops or notebooks, cups, bags, and a lot more. Get it today from the link below.
Once the installation is complete, click on close and let's check the installation. So I'll close the browser too. Open command prompt again and let's check our Python version, Python -- version. As you can see, we have installed Python 3.12.3. Now, to test out writing Python commands, you can just type Python, hit enter, and let's type some Python commands like print hello world, hit enter. Okay, hello world is printed, and you can try all the other Python stuff like a equals to 5, b equals to 10, c equals to a plus b, print c, and 15 should be printed. Yeah, so now we have Python. And to close the console, you can just type exit and exit again. So this is how you can download and install Python in Windows 11. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.